were sitting in the front seat, so for Edward and I, this was pretty cool. We're kind of AV geeks, at least I am, so being in the front seat of the helicopter next to the pilot was pretty cool. You can see right here we're leaving the helicopter field, and we're actually flying over Juneau Airport. It doesn't look like a large airport for the capital of Alaska, but I guess it gets the job done. So right there, we are actually flying over the runway of Juneau Airport on our way to our first glacier. So you can see at this point it's starting to rain a bit. We were expecting a lot of rain that day, and it actually ended up not raining nowhere near as much as we thought. The clouds in some areas were a bit low, but overall visibility was really pretty good. And as you can see right there, we had no problem taking some great photos. So at this point, we're getting close to landing on our first glacier. You can see we're doing some passes in some different areas. So coming up shortly, you'll see we will have landed, and you will see some pretty cool photos. As cool as the views were previously, this right here I think was the first just wow, amazing kind of view. You saw a lot of the blue in the glacier, able to see some greenery around the sides. Just a really cool view. As you can see right now, we are coming in for our first landing.
And what's the name of this glacier again?
This is the Herbert.
Herbert.
Right here we're at about 1,600 feet, so it's about 1,200 feet of ice.
At this point, we are obviously back in the air. We have one more glacier to go to, and you can see we're doing some passes pretty close to the mountains here, and there was definitely a point to where it was a little unnerving, let's just say, to say the least. But this glacier right here, that you can see that we're closely approaching, I believe it was called the Suicide Glacier, or that's something along those lines. I'll look it up and maybe I'll change this video if I can find out the exact name prior to posting this video. But a very, very beautiful view, as you can see.
Yeah, essentially it's about pretty far down.
So if you want to go back and rewind a little bit just to get that audio again of the water running through, it was just one of the most peaceful, one of the most serene sounds. You hear absolutely nothing but this.
But yeah, it's who knows until something
So this was the helicopter tour Pilot's Choice, booked through Celebrity Cruises. Temsco was the name of the company that was used to give the tour. Everything was absolutely fantastic. We were very, very pleased. It was well worth the money. Even on a cloudy, slightly rainy day, we felt completely safe. We felt like the views we were able to see were still absolutely spectacular and beyond amazing. Of our entire Alaska trip, this was the highlight. So if you are looking to do a helicopter tour, you are looking to go visit the glaciers, highly, highly recommend this. Again, Pilot's Choice, booked through Celebrity, and then Temsco, those red helicopters there, was the tour operator. Definitely 5 stars, absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.